In this video, we will learn to create custom errors in Go. We will see how to build robust error handling systems, create custom error types, and master error wrapping techniques. Let's understand why we need custom errors. Built-in errors provide generic error messages that provide limited context and debugging information. On the other hand, custom errors can be rich and contextual with specific types, structured data, and actionable information. Go's error interface is simple and powerful. Any type that implements the error method satisfies the error interface. The error interface consists of a single method, error, which takes no arguments and returns a string. This string represents the error message. Let's define a custom error type called validation error. It is a struct with two fields, field of type string and message also of type string. Now, let's implement the error method for the validation error type. The error method returns a string that includes the message validation error followed by the specific error message stored in the message field of the validation error struct. Let's see how to use the custom error that we have defined. Let's define a function named validateUser that takes email of type string as input and returns an error. Inside the function, it checks if the email is empty. If the email is empty, it returns a pointer to a validation error struct. The field is set to email, and the message is set to email cannot be empty. If the email is not empty, the function returns nil, indicating no error. We can wrap errors to preserve context while adding additional information using fmt.Errorf with the %w verb. This allows you to add context to an error without losing the original error information. If the validateUser function returns an error, we can wrap it with fmt.Errorf to add more context. In this case, we add the message failed to create user before the original error message. To extract the original error and check its type, use the errors.as function. This function takes the error and a pointer to the type you want to check. If the error is of that type, it will be assigned to the variable. To check if an error is a specific error, use the errors.is function. This function takes the error and the error you want to compare it to. If the error is the same, it will return true. Custom error types provide rich context about errors, making debugging and handling easier. Error wrapping preserves the error chain, allowing you to trace back to the original error. Type assertions enable specific handling of different error types, allowing you to take different actions based on the error. Mastering these patterns can help us to make our Go applications production-ready.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.